you install your whole frontal wig that is no longer looking gengelized, but yet you are not tired of slaying it or guinea kind of make now? Let's begin to use our lace glue, the cha-cha lace glue, to install our gengelized old wig. Ngwanu, you understand me? If you buy glue from me, please shake before you use, before you go say, you know, they gum. You have to shake so that all that ingredients, they go mix together. Then you spread. This is the wig we are going to install. Don't forget, here is coming here and here is coming there. So now you drag forward. You install. So you can see here is successfully installed. So you mash it into your skin. Now this place I will apply more glue. Just here you lift up. Begin to mate with my band. Ngwanu. I will wait for a few minutes. So you can see my hand is backwards. I'm using my hand to support it so that the thing will tight. This is not an HD lace. So this one that transparent lace way is strong. So it has to really melt to my skin. And that's a period. Take it out. Oof. Can you see that melt? Can you see that? Heat protectors. With my melty lace, so just apply on the edges like this. Out. Check it out. Can you see? You can see the line. Check out the final look of the wig installation. Looking so beautiful, easy, and classy. Can you see that? You like it? I know. Okay, so don't forget to come and get all your tools to install your hair, to maintain your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Ngwanu, you understand me? So can you see? Come and get my lace glue for wig installation. Come and get my lace glue. By beginner, you want to start to gain your hair, you want to learn it in this 2026. Ngwanu, come and get my product, okay? You won't regret it. And I'm looking so beautiful. I like it. Then good. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, drop your opinion if this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys in my next video.